Hello everyone, welcome to another eFootball tutorial video. Today I will show you how to play with all teams in eFootball. Now yes, you can actually play with all teams in eFootball, and there's actually a way to do it, and it's a really quick way. So first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll need to follow these steps right here. So go to the training. Once you go on your eFootball on Xbox or PS, go to the training, select the options free training. You will need to go into free training. So when the training starts in the game, you need to pause the game. Now you can select options and then click on the option. Scroll to the bottom of this menu and you will see the option change AI team players or all team players. And then you can increase the meter to 11 team players. Now here you can basically unlock all teams and play with all teams in eFootball 2022. Now as you can see, can you change your team in eFootball 22? National teams members can be changed to make your dream team and take it to the top. Players can be freely transferred between clubs in the edit mode. Now as you can see, this is pretty much what you can do in order to go and to play with all the teams and unlock all the teams in eFootball 22. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.